And then we want to get the fundamentals right. The phone number in the top right hand corner. The why choose us stuff. Why should they pick up the phone and call you? And then a contact submit form to where they can, for whatever reason, some people just don't like to talk on the phone. I mean, in our industry, a lot of it is emergency related, and so they will pick up the phone, right? Some people will just want to do a form submit and just give you the name, email, and phone number, and just that way you can just call them back whenever you get a chance. So it's important to have that option on your site for those people. That way you're capturing all the leads as possible. Special offers that match the service they're in. Now, this is not as common, like I mentioned, as maybe like heating and air and plumbing and carpet cleaning. We'll clean 2 carpets, get one room free, stuff like that. Now, some of our clients, they'll offer to help pay the deductible. And I don't get into too many. We work with our clients for this because I know there are some rules and regulations around this. I'm not here to tell you can do this. Like, obviously you guys know the rules with the insurance company specific to your area, right? It definitely varies by state and who you work with. But just something to keep in mind that you can do is help pay the deductible up to $500 or whatever the case may be. Or discounts, you could say discounts available. And then, when they call and they say my entire house is flooded and it's about to be a $30,000 job, then you can say, hey, John, we're willing to let us come out, take a look at it. We'll give you 10% off. Just because in the back of your mind it's going to be a huge job, right? You want to do whatever you can do to land it. A lot of our clients that are crushing it are kind of, they're slick like that on the phone too. Sometimes you can make it up on the fly. I mean, if you've got a ton of experience, a lot of our clients will know. I mean, they've just, taken calls for 20 plus years. You can fill out the prospect while you're on the call and even come up with a discount on the fly if you need to. But then on your website copy, you can just say discounts available, call to hear our latest, May promotion. I mean, I just made it up. You guys get the point. And then that entices them to pick up the phone and give you a call. And it's your job at that point to sell them. So there's just a couple things to, just think outside the box when it comes to the special offers and the discounts. And you want to make sure it's mobile friendly. There's over 4 billion people with mobile phones. And it's a crazy number. And that's obviously only, most of you right now, I'd say 99% have your cell phone within arm's reach. I almost guarantee it. And it's only trending upwards. 3 out of 5 consumers search for local businesses on their smartphone. It's over half. So, and that's trending upward as well. Like it's, a couple years ago, it was kind of mobile, still kind of neck and neck with desktop, but it is definitely heading in this direction. Just think about, as the millennials start to age and make, buy homes, make these decisions, they're not going to fire up the desktop computer to make that call, right? They're pulling out the phone, doing what they need to do, and making the call. And make sure it looks okay, and it's mobile responsive, which I'll show you, because if not, people also, circling back to the attention span, we all do it, right? If you're fumbling around and you're loading, you can't find what you're looking for, and it's just sloppy, what do? You go back to Google, you search, you move on. Like, there's zero patience. So that is why it's critical to make sure it's mobile friendly. So I just let me show you guys something quick. So just an example. So you see how everything collapses down and shifts. You want to make sure it's mobile responsive. Some websites you have to scroll, left and right, and nothing. It's just annoying. I'm sure you guys have seen it. And this is actually something we just put we code it to where this button sits the whole time, even when you scroll. So if I'm on my phone, I'm scrolling, there's the form submit. See how everything shifts over to the middle and is centered? It's just clean and easy to read. if you're on a phone. And this button right here just sits there. So once they decide to call, remember I said you always want the phone number in plain sight. So this is kind of a way we make that happen. And this looks like, what color is the call button almost on y'all's phone? I don't know this for sure, but I'm pretty sure it's 99% chance it's green, right? So we kind of implemented that in one of our conversion tactics, to where they click that and boom, the phone number populates easy, right? They don't have to go scrolling looking for the number and see. If you did that, I mean, it's hard to find, right? But it's just sitting here waiting for the, once they make their decision, boom, hit the phone number, make the call. So that's huge. Make sure your site is mobile friendly, mobile responsive, and there's a way for the prospect to give you a call. And this is just an example of what happens when that button. So if you're scrolling, you click that button, boom, the phone number populates. They hit call. Next thing you know, they're talking to a technician. Hey, thanks for calling. How can we help? So again, you want to put yourself in the prospect's shoes. You want it to be easy and not a whole bunch of hoops to jump through to get your mold removed, the water dried out from your house, whatever the case may be. Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.